Hello Buhl High School students, my name is Ruth Loza and I work in the technology department for the Buhl School District. I'm going to be teaching you the basics of how you're going to register for your classes online. So the first thing you want to do is go onto PowerSchool and log in as usual. Now that you've signed in, go to the left side where it shows the navigation panel and you're going to click on the button that says Class Registration. Now this is a sample student, so it won't have all of these courses that I have selected, but I'm just going to teach you the basics. So on the left side of this page, you'll notice that it shows you some of the required courses and electives. Also, you'll notice the credit hours that you need to select. On the right side, there'll be these pencil buttons where it opens up all of the courses. So I'm going to click on Science. Here you're able to see all of the courses that are available to you. On the top part of the page, you'll notice that you can see the course names, the descriptions, and any prerequisite that this class might have. So to be able to click on a course you want, you simply click on the button on the left side of the page. You will also notice that there will be more pages available, so make sure to look through all of them before you make your selection. On the bottom left side of the page, it'll show you how many courses you have selected. Always make sure to click OK to save the information. Now I'm going to go in and try it again in Electives. So here you can again see all of the options you have available. You can go through more pages. And you will also notice that it will tell me how many courses I've selected and how many that I have left to select. So I need to select 8 courses for this specific guideline. Now I've selected all the correct courses, and I click OK. Once all of those check marks are green, that means that I have done it correctly, and it will also equal up the credit hours. Make sure to click Submit. Now you have successfully registered for your courses online. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact Molly Borner, your school counselor, or Angie Raparnico, your school principal. We hope you have a great day, VHS. Now move on to step 2 to continue to learn about the registration process.